Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Awang Haziq Fahmi bin Awang Muhyiddin. Today I'm going to present our project about automation RIP configuration using Python. Our lecturer is Sir Kamarul Arifin bin Abdul Basit, and the other team members are Zul Haziq, Fatih Haris, and Alif Aiman. Background of study. For our background of study, RIP stands for Routing Information Protocol, in which Distance Vector Routing Protocol is used for data packet transmission. In Routing Information Protocol (RIP), the maximum number of hops is 15 because it prevents routing loops from source to destination. Mechanisms like split horizon, route poisoning, and hold down are used to prevent from incorrect or wrong routing information. Next is for the problem statement. The problem statement for our project, the configuring the basic characteristics of RIP appears manually on dozens of routers costs far more for the capital expenditures of running an enterprise network. Next is our objectives. The objective of this project is to develop a Python program that can configure RIP network that is connected to the router. The literature review. First of all is the network automation. Network automation is the process of automating the configuring, managing, testing, deploying, and operating of physical and virtual devices within a network, with everyday network tasks and functions automated and repetitive processes controlled and managed automatically. Network service availability improves. By implementing network automation, the user will not have to worry on lost packets to the designated host. Next is the Telnet library. Telnet is a type of network protocol which allows a user in one computer to log on to another computer which also belongs to the same network. The telnet command is used along with the hostname, and then the user credentials are entered. Upon successful login, the remote user can access the applications and data in a way similar to the regular user of the system. Of course, some privileges can be controlled by the administrator of the system who sets up and maintains the system. In Python, Telnet is implemented by the module telnetlib, which has the telnet class, which has the required methods to establish the connection. The methodology.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, for the methodology part, or for the demo part, so here I got two uh, what we call network automation here, or host here, which is client 1 and Ubuntu. Okay, at the R1, I already configured it as 192.168.10.1, and at R2 router 2 I already configured at IP address 192.168.0.1. Okay, now I will configure the RIP protocol at the R2 router. Okay, so we open the Ubuntu. Okay, first of all, we will try to ping the router, which is 10.1, 0.1, sorry. Okay, so already ping. Okay, now let's go to the code cd home. Okay, so here as we see, I use telnet lib. Here is the host for the router, and then it will ask for us to enter the telnet username. Okay, so now we try to run the code. Admin 1 2. Okay, so as we see, the RIP configuration and some loopback configuration already have been configured in the R2 in the router 2. So R2 Pro. Okay, so we use the RIP. So the R2 already has been configured as RIP protocol. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I'm going to present is about the design. For our system requirement, we only need two software, which is Python 3 and GNS3. Python 3 is a software to run the code, and GNS3 is a software for network simulation. Conclusion. In conclusion, RIP can make it easier to configure router. Furthermore, it can help the network admin, network engineer, or even the staffs that are responsible for configuration to configure router as it is automatically configured for humans.